To this video, and in this video we're going to do a bit comparison between two big affiliate marketing platform, and we're going to see the one that paid more in 2026. So if this is what you want to learn in this video, then stay to the end of it as I show you, or as we do the comparison between these two big affiliate marketing platforms. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Osakwenes, and this channel I make a review, I create content around affiliate marketing, blogging, online hustle and AI tools. So if this is what interests you and you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that when I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So guys, let's dive into what we have on this video. The two big affiliate marketing platform, Digistore24 and ClickBank. So you are going to learn basically how these platforms work, and if it is what you can get into, or if your country is being accepted into this affiliate marketing platform. So you are going to learn all of that in this video. So we look at Digistore24. Digistore is a big affiliate marketing platform that, as a vendor or maybe as an affiliate, you have opportunity of coming to this platform either as an affiliate marketer or as a vendor. And the amazing thing is you can either list your product as a vendor on Digistore24, or you can get into this platform as an affiliate. But the thing is, Digistore24 and ClickBank, which one paid more in 2026? Now I want you and I to talk about this together. Let me know the platform you know that pays more. Is it Digistore24 or ClickBank that pays more? I want to know your thoughts at the comment section of this video. So make sure you leave me a comment at the comment section of this video below. Tell me your either out of your experience or out of what you have researched or what you have find out, you discover that either ClickBank pays more or Digistore24 pays more. I want to know your thoughts, what you think about these two platforms. Now let's dive into what we have for this video today. Now you can see that this is a walkthrough of what Digistore24 is, and on Digistore you have two options here in this platform. Number one option is vendor. You want to become a vendor just like the way it is on normal affiliate marketing platform that we have in Nigeria. We have Stay Coach, we have Expertnear, and so many of them. And in those platforms you have two options, just the way we have it on Digistore24, either a vendor or an affiliate. Now the first option on Digistore24 is that a vendor. Then as a vendor, you have the opportunity of owning a membership and a community. A membership as a community where you create a community, or you have a membership platform section where only people that pays have access to your membership or to join your community. That is number one. And number two, you have access to either list your books, your ebooks, your courses, or to download whatever that you want to download on Digistore24 as an vendor. So in this particular session, you can either list your product, your courses, or whatever. And the cool thing is that you can even list softwares. You are software engineers or whatever, you can list your software on Digistore. On Digistore24, you can list your software as an vendor. An affiliate will go ahead to promote them for you. Then we have the second one, which is called the affiliate. The affiliate is where you as an affiliate marketer, you are looking for product to promote to your audience. Oh, your audience are interested in buying stuff from you. You have an audience. Maybe your audience are interested in cooking items. Then you can come to either Digistore24 or you go to ClickBank. You look for products on cooking item. Then you promote to your audience as an affiliate. So that is the second section of what Digistore is. Are you getting me? So now what can you do with this platform? What does this platform has to offer you? The basic thing is, the purpose of this platform is to use it to earn money online for yourself. Are you getting me? So you sell on Digistore or you promote on Digistore to make money. That is just the fact about this platform. Either you sell to make money from the platform, or you list your product to make money on the platform. And like what you have learned here is that Digistore is one of the largest affiliate marketplace in the world. Are you getting me? Is one of the largest affiliate marketing platform in the world. Are you getting me? Meaning that it's a big platform. And basically, I don't even think some country are being restricted from joining this particular platform. So not all countries are actually accepted into this platform. So if your country is accepted, you are happy to go. If your country is not accepted, you have to wait until when your country is accepted into the platform. And like what you have right here, that over $3 billion in sales processed. That means over $3 billion in sales have been processed, and over 5.5 million products sold last year. Over 5.5 million products sold last year. And you can see that here we also have 8,500 plus offer in 44 different niches that have been listed in this platform. So this is telling you that this platform is actually a big or a large platform that you can get into. So here you get to sell online on Digistore. You get instant access to a page builder, various conversion and automation tools, and 3,000 plus active affiliate to help you promote and scale your offer. So this is majorly for vendors. You have a course, you have a training. When you list it on Digistore24, you have about 3,000 active affiliates that can help you to promote it. Are you getting me? Now you promote online, you get instant access to our affiliate marketplace with over 8,500 high converting offers you can promote. So if you're an affiliate and you're looking for product to promote, you can come to Digistore24. Then you get a good product to promote your audience, because according to what we have here, that they have about 8,500 high converting offers that you can promote on this platform. So guys, if you are following me on this video so far, kindly let me know the affiliate platform, either Digistore24 or ClickBank, is the largest or the one that pay most currently in 2024. Leave me that comment at the comment section of this video. I want to know your thoughts. So let's continue. So we have seen that Digistore24 is a big platform that has paid a lot of commission to its affiliate, and you can get into it as an affiliate or as a vendor. So all you need to do is come down, you click on get started. If your country is accepted, you are good to go. But if your country is not accepted, you need to wait until when your country is accepted. So that is that. Now let's look at ClickBank. ClickBank also is another big affiliate marketing platform. In fact, ClickBank has been for so many years. It has been for so many years, and we have so many people in this part of the country that actually an affiliate on ClickBank. But the thing is that there are some countries that are being restricted on ClickBank. Meanwhile, you can find your way to get into ClickBank, but you need to consider, if you actually find your way or using a VPN to get into ClickBank, you need to think about your commission. You need to consider about your commission. Will it be possible for you to get paid if you maneuver your way to get into the platform, to sign up an account, you promote products, you earn commission? Will there be any way for you to be able to get your commission out of the platform? That is what you need to consider. But because if you get in through VPN and it comes to the time for you to get your payment, your commission, and ClickBank discover that your country is not supported, all that you have earned will just go down without you getting notified, and your account will be completely closed down. So you need to consider, if you find your way to get into this platform, you need to think about your commission. You'll be able to withdraw your commission, will you be able to get your commission paid? You need to think about that. So Meanwhile, we have some Nigeria who are into ClickBank right here in Nigeria, but they have tough time in getting the payment because the country, the platform does not support Nigeria. So you can see that ClickBank is also another big affiliate marketing platform, and you can see that they are paid a commission of 7.3 billion plus in commission. But when you look at Digistore24, they are paid a commission of about 5 point something billion. Are you getting me? But when you look at the calculation, you're going to discover that ClickBank is like ClickBank paid more commission, and they have about 100k plus active affiliates. But on Digistore24, they have about 3,000 active affiliates. You see the difference, that ClickBank is even running ahead of Digistore24. So guys, if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share your thoughts with me. Do you think ClickBank is bigger or Digistore24 is bigger? I want to know your thought at the comment section of this video. So on ClickBank, you have two options. The two options is that you either come in as an affiliate or you either come in as a vendor. So it all depends on one you want to get into. And like I've explained initially, that as an affiliate, all you need to do is come to any of these platforms, get a product, promote, and you are going to promote those products using your affiliate link. And once you do that, you are going to earn a commission using your affiliate link to promote those products. And if you want to get in as a vendor, that means you're going to list your course or your product on this platform, and you're going to get about 100,000 or 100k people promoting your stuff. So the first option is as an affiliate. You come down here, you get a product, you get your affiliate link, and you begin to promote those products, and you earn your commission, and your commission are being paid directly into your bank account. And that is amazing thing about ClickBank. They do all this affiliate marketing platform, they do not owe anybody's commission unless your country is not supported and you want to maneuver your way into the platform. That is where they will withhold your commission. And on ClickBank, they have a lot of resources for you to get started. If you're a complete beginner, they have a lot of resources for you. You see here, affiliate resources, that all these ones you can get them for free to learn how you can promote products on ClickBank. Then the number 2 is to become a seller. That is where you are going to list your product. And the amazing thing about ClickBank is that ClickBank, they also sell physical products. Our physical product, you can list them on ClickBank and you get people that will buy it. And this is telling you that ClickBank is a big platform, a platform that has both digital product, physical product, and every kind of product. You are going to get them on ClickBank. So ClickBank is a big platform which you can get into it if your country is supported. But if your country is not supported, I would strongly advise you to hold on until when your country is being accepted into the platform. Because if you maneuver your way to get into the platform, you may be surprised that you're not going to get paid at the end of the day. And you can see that in over 190 countries on ClickBank, and for over 27 years this platform has been. And look at it, they paid $7.3 billion to affiliates, and this is what you can be a beneficiary if you can get into it. This platform has been since 27 years. Many of us are not even be born since when this platform has been. So if you look at it, that this is a good platform for you to get into, all you need to do is to get started with the platform. All you need to do, come here, you click on start. If your platform is accepted, you click on start, then you begin to promote any product that you want. And the amazing thing about ClickBank is that there is no single product that you are going to find online that you are not going to see them on ClickBank. So all you need to do is to choose an option, you get started, and you begin to promote your product. So I'm sure in this video you have learned Digistore24 and ClickBank, which one pays more. So guys, I want to know your thought. Which one do you think pays more in 2026? And if you have tried any of these platforms, Digistore24 and ClickBank, which one do you think is easy for you, that have been easy for you to make money from the platform? Also let me know, share your thought at the comment section of this video we want to learn from your experience. So guys, this is the end of the video, and if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like it.